traders, I want to introduce you to a very simple scalping strategy and how you can implement this setup that I have here on TradingView to benefit from a prop firm account. You can trade here on TradingView on this demo account and have these trades automatically copy over to your prop firm account. This is a game changer. I'm using a Pepperstone C Trader demo account. Any account above $10,000 balance is fine. I think Black Bull have a C Trader account that you can trade on TradingView as well. It's a demo account. Use it as the master account. Here's the thing. If you keep this really simple, you take this trade when you see two signals, this one and this one. If these two signals are in close proximity, that's your trade. This is your signal to close. If these two signals are in close proximity, that's your trade and that's your stop loss. And there's your exit signals. If you want to close, you've got these options here. And then finally down in here. I won't spend a lot of time on this, but it's as simple as that. Follow the plan to the T and let me show you what's possible. This C Trader account here is placed into this program, Duplikium. This is a trade copier program. This is the master account whereby you can trade multiple accounts. So you copy the trades from this over to these automatically. I have a couple of accounts with a trade copier platform. This is my preferred. Why? The other one hasn't been reliable. They had problems with the MT4, MT5 integration. They had problems with displaying statistics from your accounts correctly, and they haven't been able to fix it for a long time. So I'm now integrating into Duplikium. These guys are rock solid, reliable, and their customer support is second to none. So this is how you can leverage with our signals or our trading strategy. Now here's the thing. On my website, just go over to how to leverage, and I just want to explain a couple of things so that you understand how it works. Scroll down. You know, people ask me if they can grow a $200 personal account. And here's my thing. Instead of trying to grow a small account or even risking large amounts of your own money, trade a prop firm account. Trade big with minimal risk. So instead of trying to trade $150 on a small account, invest $150 to purchase a $25,000 prop firm account. Keep 90% of profits. Here's the thing. 10% gain on $150 is $15. 10% gain on a $25,000 account is $2,500. Less a little bit, okay, 90%, just under $2,500. It's a much better idea. It's a smarter way to scale without putting your own capital at risk. And these accounts scale up. Now, trade our strategy. Here's the thing. Open a demo account. I use Pepperstone C Trader, as I showed you, with unlimited time. So be careful that demo account doesn't have a 30-day limit. Minimum balance, 10,000. All right. And then use our scalping strategy on TradingView, as I showed you. That will automatically connect as you've connected to Duplikium, your C Trader account, set it up as the master account. The trades will go from TradingView through to Duplikium. And Duplikium allows one free account. Use that for the master account. Add your prop firm account, okay, and link your prop firm account as a slave account. And that will automatically copy from your master to your prop. So the benefit is you get to trade on TradingView with our strategy, my daily mentorship videos, the indicators, the alerts. You've got everything at your fingertips. And then your trades will be automatically copied to your prop firm account. Now, not all prop firms will accept this setup. Focus Funded will allow you to copy trades directly from your personal account into a funded account. There's a handful of prop firms that will. Quite a few don't allow this. I have the list of prop firms. If you want them, shoot me a message. Here's the thing. Focus Funded are available internationally, but they're not available for Australians. So if you're based in Australia, contact us. There's a link here. Shoot me a message. DM me. I'll send you a list of preferred prop firms that work best for Aussies. Okay, and then we set up on Duplikium, or you do, and all you need to do then is just focus over here on these signals. Now, every day I'm posting mentorship videos that go in here on how to use the indicators, how to find trade opportunities. It's an ongoing education on the trading strategy that we have. Okay, through here, there's more information, all these links here, the signals results, recent results. Okay, 14-day trial. Now, here's the thing, the 14-day trial is 100% free. So why don't you check it out 14 days and just see if you can trade successfully using our indicators and the strategy. And when you can see that you're making consistent profits, this is the beginning of an incredible future, seriously. So it's free. You don't pay anything for 14 days. And then after that, if you feel this is for you, it's heavily discounted. It's only, look, shout me sushi once a month and I'm happy. $29.95. This is a limited time new indicator launch. So we've been using this strategy we're going into our third week. We've had an incredible success. And I think, yeah, there's more to come. Lock it in now. That will confirm and lock in that discount before it goes up to 79. It's probably going to go to that at some stage. Click the WAP down here and that will set you up with the trial and full access through WAP to all this stuff. Here's my invite. Join us on this journey and enjoy the benefits as so many of my members are already. With that, I hope you have a fantastic day and look forward to seeing you in VIP. Any questions? Just reach out. I'm here to help. See you in the next one.